Hello guys, and welcome back to 0x Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Microsoft Store not installing games error code. And let's get straight into the video. The first method you guys can try doing is going over to the search bar, typing in WS reset, and this is a command that kind of like resets/restarts the Microsoft Store, so you can go ahead and try running that. Once that command has been run, that should be the first solution of the error code that should fix the issue. The second solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the Microsoft Store itself. From here, make your way down over to downloads and then click on check for updates. Once the Microsoft Store has been updated, that could also fix the issue, because it is possible that a older version was causing the issue. So you can go ahead and try doing that. That should be the second solution. And another solution you guys can try doing is going over to the search bar, typing in command prompt, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. And once it is open, go ahead and type in the command sfc/scan now, and once this command has been run, you guys should be good to go, and that should be it for the video. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.